Welcome to 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom F floor plan offering 1,130 square feet. Immediately upon entering the home, you notice the hardwood bamboo flooring throughout. To the right, we find the kitchen with the gray softstone quartz countertops and full-size stainless steel appliances. This kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space as well as an additional pantry. Across from the kitchen, we have our in-house washer and dryer. To the right of the kitchen, we come to the primary bedroom suite, offering 11 by 13.5 square feet. This space is plenty big enough for a king or queen size bed. The large windows also have window coverings. This bedroom has one small closet, and on the other end, a large walk-in with 3 walls of hanging space. The bathroom offers 7 feet of white subway tile around the tub area, angled shower curtain rod for extra elbow room, a dual flush toilet to help conserve water, 1 large vanity mirror, and 1 smaller medicine cabinet. This vanity is extra large and has plenty of storage in it. Coming back across the living room, we come to the secondary bedroom. This bedroom is approximately 11 by 13 square feet, large windows, and has plenty of room for a large bed and wardrobe. This bedroom also offers 2 closets, 1 walk-in with 2 walls of hanging space, and a second with double doors. The secondary bathroom also has 7 feet of subway tile all around the shower, dual flush toilet, large vanity, large mirror, and medicine cabinet. Coming through the second door in the bathroom, we have the hall closet, and we're back to the entryway.